Good luck, it says. No way.
Come on, that's a date for
Oh, we got two. Nice. All right.
Which one?
I don't know. Okay, here we go. Woo! Okay. All right. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Ooh, what's that? It's like a bingo board.
Okay, real boost.
You can see the grand showing itself up there.
Is it really?
Yeah, look.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay. There we go. Keep going.
Oh my god, no way. We win this grand jackpot.
Grand
Poop
was
my pants.
the grand is
Poop my
10,830.
pants.
Don't poop your pants.
Okay.
We haven't had it yet. Come on
23
now.
and 29 is what we need.
We need 23 and 29.
Oh my
21.
god.
Oh, okay.
Shut up, 29!
Oh, we need 23. We need 23.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, we just need 23. Come on, 23. Oh, 16.
Oh man, it's messing with us.
Right next to it. Come on, 23.
Yes!
Hey, that's all right.
Woo! Let's go! It's still going.
23, 23, 23. Okay. 23. 23.
Yes. 15.
Oh,
Oh my god.
come on.
If we get 23, we win $10,000.
Come on, 23. Oh, 23. We got one more spin. Wow, that's it. Sheesh. No 23. Man.
Yeah, alright.
Not bad. Alright, 31.70. On an 88-cent bet. Alright, $45.95.
Yeah.
Okay. Not too bad.